Actually, Lucy, my trouble is Christmas. I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down.
I know how you feel about all this Christmas business, getting depressed and all that. It happens to me every year.
Good morning, everyone. You just saw me make my coffee. We've got a couple. Ooh, the lighting looks good here. Okay, we have some things to do today. Today's a day off, obviously, that's why I'm filming. I gotta clean my room. It's so messy. Thursdays are grocery shopping days, so I gotta go do that. And I got like a bunch of like admin, like sending emails, doing returns, all that jazz, fun life stuff. But right now, I'm gonna enjoy this super milky coffee, which I don't know, it's probably wrong how to make a coffee, but if I'm drinking coffee, I like it milky and I like it sugary. Can't help it. And I'm gonna watch Zoe Sugg. I'm going to watch Zoe Sugg's Vlogmas. Don't hate on me. I still watch her. I watched her when I was 13. It's comforting. I continue to watch her. And then we'll just get our day started and you guys will follow along. Okay. See ya. Right, guys. Instead of watching, I did watch some of Zoe Sugg's. Obviously, you can see it right there. But I got stuck on the Coach outlet, which I can't really tell what I think the outlet's like a little cheaper compared to the actual Coach store. And I'm not usually a Coach fan because growing up, I felt like Coach was like your mom. Like, it was like a mom purse. It's like what Michael Kors is. But look how freaking cute this bag is. I just really like that orange. But supposedly the orange they do like a review. And supposedly the orange isn't actually that orange. But look how, can you imagine like how cute that would be as a shoulder bag? And it's only like $87.50. I think I might wait it out a little bit more. I think that's so cute. And then there's like another item here, which looks very professional, and it's called the Dreamer shoulder bag. Still kind of a little bit more bulkier. It looks a little bit, can't really see that, but it looks a tiny bit bigger. That's hella cute too. And then when you go on you go and see, I've been looking, like this tabby shoulder, it's very close, very similar to Jade. You can tell like the price difference is very much there. Again, pockets. I love a pocket bag, but again, so cute. I what? And then there's like a bad review on it. Everything I like, there's a bad review. But there's like very, very cute stuff. Anyways, I just want to say that little tidbit. I had to switch to my camera on my phone because, whoops, I forgot to charge the camera battery. But I'm going to show you my room because it is so cluttered. I'm not usually like this, but I think you can try and just tell like my headspace. Oh, hello. There you go. You can kind of tell what my headspace is like, which is just not all there. But what I'm going to do is we're going to clean this room, or I'm going to clean this room. And I'm going to read an essay that my best friend is writing for her master's program. And I'm going to edit it and just like make it a little bit more pretty for her. And then we're going to go grocery shopping. But first, let me show you what this like room looks like. I was not kidding. We've got crap all over my table. This actually isn't as bad as it usually looks. But those glasses shouldn't be there though. Need to be in their case. Need to return that book. We've got packages underneath. One of them I need to try them on. This shouldn't be here. It should be in my closet. We've got my work bag. We've got an H&M purchase from a long time ago, but I can't return. You know, we just got crap everywhere. Camera, that's fine. And then we got that closet. Oh, I don't even want to show you. Oh, I like just threw all my winter stuff because I went for a walk last night. This is a mess. Like, why is those nail clippers there? My oil. And that closet's like a whole, we'll do another day of just like cleaning these drawers out because I always need like a refresh come like a winter time. Mind the dirty mirror, but now I am ready to go to the grocery store. It's a bit later. We got some bleh leggings, just a cute little crew neck sweater. It's a little maze to your heart. And a faux fur, which is for Mango, which is the most amazing thing ever. I look freaking ginormous, but I have like 2 layers in, and we're gonna go grocery shopping and do a bunch of other things. Okay, let's go. If only I could snap my fingers. I don't know, maybe I can. 1, 2, 3. Just kidding. It's right here. Alrighty, so back on the camera, no longer on the phone, but we got, hold on, we got some packages. I need to move that, need to put that away. You can't even see anything. But so far my room is like spick and span. Look at that. You can't even see anything there because it's not there. It's beautiful. But what we're gonna do now is I'm going to package this Zara return and do that really quickly, and then we're gonna try on some shoes, which I'm so excited. I'm pretty sure these are my exchange ones, just for sizing, but I don't think I ever showed you guys, so I will show you guys right now. What's on here? Oh, hopefully you didn't see my eyebrows. I don't think you did. Okay, what's in the box? Let me see. That's way too big. Oh, it's kind of been slightly opened. Okay. I'm excited, I'm excited. Oh no. I think they gave me the wrong size. I think they did. Wait. No. No, 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 no. It says 5. Looks like 5.5. They look like. Aren't they cool? They're like very 80s, 90s focus. Hold on, let me try them on. This is what they look like on, which is like kind of cool, like chunky looking. But right here, it's like way too tight. And that's just like a sizing thing. Ugh. They're super cool looking though. Okay. That means I'm just gonna have to see if I can do an exchange again. So annoying. Hopefully they actually have the size that I'm looking for. I'm going to package that Zara stuff up, and then we'll see what the rest of the day has to do. That's so disappointing. I am weeping. Alright. So I just showed you those shoes, everything. I returned those. That box was a box that I returned. So that's why it's a size 5, not 5.5. But then UPS gave it back to me. So I am so confused. I gotta figure this out so I can get my freaking 5.5. Anyways, no longer weeping. Just, I am in confusion, you know? What? It's taking me close to maybe half an hour. Okay, BRB, this is very difficult. I don't know what is going on. All I need is a freaking label. After everything, I just had to ship it back again. And then trying to find a label, I had to try to use the old label. Hopefully I stuck it properly so that they can scan it or do something. But we'll see. We'll see if I even just like get it back. The whole point is to put it back in the warehouse and that's it. Yeah. You know what? Now that I just ran up the stairs. Now that I have everything figured out, I gotta pick up the library book and do things. I'm gonna leave you guys here because I gotta edit you later, put you up, do all the things. So yeah, that was Vlogmas day 3. Nothing really happened, sorry. I was basically home all day, minus the grocery shop, which I couldn't take you because I forgot to do the, forgot to charge you guys. Sorry. I will be better next time. And I will see you guys not tomorrow, but probably Saturday. Okay, bye. Wait, oh yeah, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and bye.